Businesses have a powerful role to play in restoring nature. They can reduce harmful practices, invest in sustainable supply chains, or directly support reforestation, wetland recovery, or wildlife corridors. Some companies even dedicate part of their profits to conservation projects or use verified biodiversity credits to support restoration. At 24 Carbon, we help businesses move beyond do no harm to actively do good. Want to help your company support nature in a real way? Drop a message in the comments and we'll show you where to start.